In this video, I'm going to show you 6 APIs which I have seen all the developers really cherish because the productivity is a big thing for developers. So let me show you 6 free APIs which are public, which you will also really appreciate. The first one is a JSON placeholder. It is a service that provides you with fake online REST APIs for testing and prototyping. This is really a go-to API for every developer I have seen. Second one is from Google, the Google Translate. Google has a plethora of APIs, but most of them are paid. But thankfully, the Translate API provides free translation for 100 plus languages up to 500k characters per month, which is more than enough for most of the use cases. Then we have Open Weather Map. Well, if you want to predict and forecast the weather, then nothing beats Open Weather Map. It's a service that really spot on and provides you easy access to their data via their API. REST countries is another API, which is a service that provides you with information about countries via RESTful API. It provides you with data such as country name, capital, population, area, currencies, languages, and much more. Then we have IP API. It's a service that provides you with information about an IP address. It exposes country, region, city, latitude, longitude, time zone, currency, and numerous other types of data. You can see a lot of developers extensively using this API while building anything that requires a user's country code. Then we have Random Data API, which is a service that provides you with random data. It is similar to JSON placeholder but provides random data, unlike JSON placeholder, which delivers static data and has a few more data categories like banks, credit cards, and lot of others up its sleeve. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or if you have any favorite free public API, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.